Hi everyone, it's me again, Joseph, and welcome back sa aking channel. Bakit ganyan ang ating smile? Meron bang ibig sabihin nun? Yes po, mga ate ko, merong ibig sabihin. Dahil for the first time in my life, nakareceive ako ng gift pack from a well-known brand ng beauty products and skincare essentials. And here we go, ate ko. Oh my God. It sounds OA, pero grabe talaga. This is my first time talaga na makareceive ng ganitong gift pack from a well-known brand which is Garnier. Samahan niya ako mag-unwrap ng gift from them. Nakuha ko ito dahil isa ako sa mga napili ng mga winners. Isa ako sa mga winners ng C-in-1 Wash Challenge ng Garnier. At hindi ko talaga in-expect na mapapili nila ako. Oh my God! Pati yung nanay ko, sobrang excited niya din niya. Hindi siya makapaniwala. Oh my God! Totoo nga! Oh my God! Hala ka! Nakikita niyo ba? Nakikita niyo ba ang brand na yan? Which is Garnier nga! Nakakaloka! Oh my God, guys! Ganun siya kalaki. And may kabigatan. Look at that! Oh my God! Napakalaking bag! And isa-isahin natin ang laman. Hindi ko pa talaga nakikita to, ha? Silipin natin.
Ayaw ko.
Hulo!
Ano?
Hulo! Nanigita! Kita!
Ay, oo, ano?
Thank you so much, Garnier, for sending this. I'm really excited to use your products. Oh my God! Start with this one. Oh my God. This is their Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Cleanser. Oh my God, thank you so much. Next this one is their Invisible Serum Sunscreen. I'm so excited to try this. My God. And then, at meron din silang Bright Complete Night Serum. And here is meron din silang pinadala sa akin, the Bright Complete Vitamin C Gel Wash. Oh my God, thank you so much. At meron din silang Micellar Cleansing Water.